the new fruit. Dude, game is game. Unlock Yeti skin. Saan yung Emon? Walang Emon. Siguro pag nasa transformation na Emon yan. So guys, never pa ako nakakuha na mythical. Never ever in my life. Transformation. Dalawa Hindi ako makahinga guys. So dalawang transformation ma-unlock mo guys. This is So may paborito akong ginagawa dito. Tingnan. Oh, damn. Arctic Clap. So, wala siyang Emon. Uy! Oh, brother, miss. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Arctic Clap. Boom! Bro floated out. Okay, I'm gonna change it. Instead of level lang... So, yung pag sinasabi nyo, Fruit Gacha is a total scam. Dude, remember, I got a Yeti from the Fruit Gacha within just 8. Wait, what is the number? What is the number? 800,000. 84,800. And then Yeti fruit, if the Yeti fruit is in the flipping stock, dude, you would just get a flipping 1 million bellies. You will need that much of bellies, so you can just get a flipping Yeti. And then you need to hunt CBs. What if you are in the flipping first sea? There's no CBs that spawn there. You cook. The time you got that dude, it's almost up. And then you came in, just 1 second step, and you're about to buy. And then it will be gone. That's a lose for you. But it's okay. Because you can buy other fruit too. Don't cry. That happened in Grow a Garden too, dude. Every time there's a stock and there's a timer, you will just lose it. So, never ko na ito papalitan, guys. Pag na-transformation ko to, magiging absolute cinema. So, by the time na manlock ko lahat ng skills nito, Cloud Terrors. So, hindi po tandaan nyo, guys. I'm not still... Why the hell, son? Why the hell, bro? You like... Bro, typing. Mano dato tatunao. So, bigyan ko kayo. Pag gusto nyo mag-reset ng mga refund yung mga stats nyo, gawin nyo lang, kit reset. Which is, that hindi ko na pala ginamit. Arctic Clap. Arctic Clap. Gusto. Hmm. His hit is much higher than mine. Sheesh. Bro cannot even damage me a big. Bro cannot one tap me. Okay. Bam! Oh, I got it. Arctic clap this dude. Dude, once I unlock all of these. Now let's go. How did he reach me? Dude, I'm just happy I just got. I am just happy that I got flipping Yeti. This is my first ever mythical. Boulder. Yung lowest dito, 1 tsaka frostbite boulder. Hindi ko alam kung frostbite. Bro, come on, that is just a first hit and then you just literally you just use the flipping skill. If I could use that again right now, dude, I would put it all in defense, melee, and then shoot. Oh no, I just hit them. Chibo, mano dano tatao. Oh no, man! Deportation. Dude, I don't know what came after me. Wrong one. Okay, wrong one. I don't know whose luck that just come into me. Was it looping or flipping? Ripping, Brighton, Zot, and Silence. Or just the admin's luck gave me it all. Boom! I miss it. You miss it. Ito na, siklap dito. Medyo kaya, sorry kan. Tingin ko elemental to kasi yung, alam mo naman, nag-lilig siya sa ice kasi hindi mo da-damage siya. Kahit na, bis pa rin yan. Ano? Dude, if you look on my menu, items. Oh, there's a skin in Yeti. It's pretty all of you. Dude, I'm flexing by the way. Oh, somebody take my kill. I really want to PvP them, but they are higher than me. I don't know what fruit they have. The sound is just like girl sound. Ito na. Come on. No camera. Potation. Ang tagal nito mag-loading na yung Arctic Club. This is my first. 3 hits this. Oh, come on. Somebody just trying to steal my kill. Boom. What the hell just happened? Oh, that did have a eagle. Beast mode kaya pangalan ko. Diyan mo na. Nilipad siya. Nga pala may flight yung ano. Eagle. I'm a eagle. Not about it. Remember guys, I don't care if is it mythical. I'm just excited because this is my first mythical. Cause it depends how you use it. Camera deportation. Naganiga heba bazooka. Oh, that's how the Arctic clap looks like. Bro is regenerating that fast. Arctic clap. Boom! 46? Kala ko 46 na to kanina. Ano lang sa smiling yun. Ano? Dapat palpalitan ko tong... okay na yan. Dark step naman talaga yung paborito ko eh. Na fighting style. Except combat. Oh, ayun pala yung... Ayun pala yung ginagamit dito pag pag nag-transformation. Ata na oh. Pause ko muna guys, matagal-tagal pa to. So guys, nandito na tayo. Ito na nga kay mama. Ilan quest kakailanganin ko para maabot ko tong dalawa. Ito, tsaka Thunder Rush, tsaka Glacier Express. Ha? Sabi niya isa lang daw. Kasi 3,500, 300 yan. Glacier Club. Parang kasi wala siyang may M1 yan pag natapos ko na pag pag na-unlock ko na yung transformation eh. Glacier Clap! Tama si mama. Parang ang bilis ko makabot sa ano. So, tandaan niyo yung Black Fruit, hindi lang siya laro. Yeah. So, sabi nito, with all of your effort, gets a big prize. In short terms, sumabog. Candy egg. In short terms, in Tagalog, pag lahat ng pinagsubukan mo, mamaya makukuha ka magandang price. Makakukuha ka mataas na price. Yan. Short terms. I think so. Pero pag mali, really in Filipino. Yung daw siya yung na-fling ako. Easy way and then I play siya. Kung saan kasi pag may emon yung Yeti. Ang sarap banggitin ng pangalan. Yeti. 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 Ba 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 ba. Yeti kasi. Hindi ako pag-isip. Ang ganda ng pangalan. Yeti. Yeti, Yeti, Yeti. Ipikaya. 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 Burn. Bam. Ipikaya. Ipikaya. Nawala. Pause ko muna guys. May pagkatagal din to eh. So, hindi ko pa nababanggit. May T-Rex on stock kasi hindi ko bibilin yun. Permanent man siya. I think so. Yoko kasi alam nyo bakit. Kasi may kahit permanent yan, mas mataas pa yung ano ko dyan. Bam 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 bam. Bam 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 bam. Bam 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 bam. Yahtzee, Yahtzee. Come on, feel bad. Oh, I hit the wrong one. Yahtzee, Yahtzee. Look at that. Nahulog ako guys. Wala, nga pala may tile yan. Yes, time. Sex me, babe. Nandiyan ang cellphone ni Mama? Ay, hindi pa siya maalis. So, ito tayo. Ninang ko na sa baba, guys. So, may pagkatagal yung transformation kasi 300 yan. Never enough. Macarena, Macarena. Baby, no. Never again. Lang isa. Ito guys, bumalik na ako. Pa-level tayo. Kasi, nag-iisip ako kung bibili ba ako saan tayo ito? Yung shop doon. Kasi, di ko alam kung permanent ba yun. Pag permanent, oo. Parang pag hindi. Never pa kasi ako nakaka-permanent eh. Up lang ako. Ba't na nahulog na lagi? Kahit may barrier naman. Ay, tabi! Tabi! Wala na tayo dito. So guys, dito tayo mag-level up. ko muna to guys. Bye guys, balikan ko kayo mamaya part 2.